चलो.
Salve friends, so in our today's math class we will discuss the procedure to find out the distance formula. For this we will consider 2 points A of x1 comma y1 and B of x2 comma y2. Now let's draw a line segment A of x1 comma y1, B of x2 comma y2. Now we'll consider this line segment in the first quadrant of Cartesian plane. Now from point B we will draw perpendicular on x-axis. Also from point A we will draw perpendicular. From point A we will draw perpendicular on this line. That this will be M and this will be N. This will be C. Now we draw perpendicular BN on OX, and then we draw another perpendicular AM on also on OX, and the perpendicular AC on BN. Now we have to find out these distances OM, MN, and OL. Also we have to find out these perpendicular distances AM, BN. Now our question is to find the distance formula. For that we look at these distances. Now this OM is equivalent. If we discuss OM, what is the abscissa over here is x1. So the distance OM will be x1. Similarly, what is the abscissa on this point is x2. So it will be x2. Our ON will be x2. Now distance MN. In order to get this distance, we will get this OM plus MN is equal to ON, implies our OM is x1 and the distance we require is MN. OM is x2. Thus MN is equal to x2 transpose this x1 to other side, we get x1. Now this is x2 minus x1. Now we look at this distance, and from this we will get this, and then that BC. From we have to find out the value of this BC. Now the ordinate of point point A is y1, so it will be y1. This segment is equivalent to MC, so it will be y1. That is AM is equal to MC is equal to y1. Similarly, BN is equivalent to the ordinate, which is y2. Now we have to find out this BC. For that, what we will do, we will get this NC plus BC. NC plus BC is equal to NC plus BC is equal to NB, implies what is our NC? NC is y1 plus BC we require, and y2. Thus BC is equal to y2 minus y1. Now this is a right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, this AC, which is equivalent to M2, is also x2 minus x1, and this we got is y2 minus y1. Now we will use Pythagoras theorem in this right triangle. Using Pythagoras theorem in right triangle ACP, we get AB square hypotenuse square is equal perpendicular BC square plus base AC square, implies AB square is equal to, our BC is y2 minus y1, then we have square over here, it will be y2 minus y1 whole square, then we have AC, it is equal to x2 minus x1, this will be x2 minus x1 whole square, implies AB. Now write this x2 minus x1 whole square over here plus this y2 minus y1 whole square. Transpose this square in the form of root to the other side. The formula we get is required distance formula. Now we have the special case. If this point A lies at the origin and point B lies in the plane, then consider the coordinates of this point B, x comma y. Then at that time our AB will be x2 is x, x1 with the origin is 0 whole square, y2 is y, and the coordinate of origin for y is 0. We'll get this as x square plus y square. Thus the formula for finding the distance between 2 points is under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. If one point lies at the origin, then it's under root of x square plus y square. Hope guys you have enjoyed this video. Inshallah next time we will derive another formula from the mathematics. I hope you will subscribe my channel. Assalamu alaikum.